Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. If we want to find velocity, we need to do first derivative of h. Now we can apply the power rule. So for example, if we do first derivative of this one, we have ns to the power of n minus 1. Now we can apply the formula in here and here. So we have 4t to the power of 4 minus 1. And the second one, we have 7 over 2 t to the power of 7 over 2 minus 1. So this one we have number 3. This one we have 5 over 2. Now after we have everything in here, we can put number 9 on here. So we calculate this one, and we have 7,897.5, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.